Good day, Sir Nombrado. I am Kim J. Salubre from Tigbao, Libagon, Southern Leyte, and Automotive 1A. Good day, everyone, and especially to Sir Nombrado. I am here to share my reflection about my personal goals in life and the improvements I plan to make this semester and how CWTS2 can help me achieving those goals. I hope that through this sharing, I can express my thoughts clearly and show how this subject can shape me as better individual. Today I will share my personal goals in life, the improvements I plan to make this semester and how CWTS2 can help me to achieve those goals. First, my goals in life is to become a successful and responsible individual who can support my family and contribute positively to my community. I want to have a stable career in the future, not just for myself, but also to give back to the people who helped me along the way. For me, success is not about money but also about making difference in other people's lives. Now, to achieve these goals, I believe I need to improve myself starting this semester. The drastic improvement I want to make is becoming more disciplined and responsible with my time and actions. Before, I sometimes procrastinate or delay tasks, especially when I feel unmotivated or overwhelmed. But I realize that these hobbies will not help me reach my goals. So this semester, I will focus on managing my time better by setting priorities, avoiding distractions, and finishing my responsibilities on time. I will also work on improving my attitude by being more active, participating in class activities, and being open to learning new things instead of being passive. I want to push myself to grow and step out of my comfort zone. I believe this change is important because discipline is one of the key factors in achieving success. Without discipline, even if you have dreams and goals, it will be hard to turn them into reality. By improving myself now, I am already preparing for the future that I want. Lastly, the importance of CWTS2 is in achieving my goals in every significance. CWT is to teach us the value of community service, teamwork, and social responsibility. It helps us understand real life situation and the needs of the other people through this subject. We are not only learning theories but also applying them in real world situations. These subjects also helps develop important skills like communication, leadership, and cooperation. These skills are very useful not only in school but also in our future careers. More importantly, CWT is to shapes our character. It teaches us to become more compassionate, responsible, and aware of our role in society. If I want to become a successful and make a difference, I need to start by becoming a better person, and CWTs help me. In conclusion, my goal is to become a successful and responsible individual. To achieve that, I will improve my discipline and attitude this semester. And with the help of CWTs too, I can develop the skills and values needed to reach my dream and contribute to society. To end my reflection, I believe that achieving our goals starts with improving ourselves and taking responsibility for our actions. With the guidance of CWTS2, I am more motivated to grow, serve, and become a better version of myself. Thank you for your time and for listening. Goodbye. God bless you all.